DJH Prestige Sports. We've just acquired this lovely Mazda 6 estate. Very lovely condition indeed. High spec, it's the sport model with front parking sensors, big alloy wheels. Bodywork's in magnificent condition for its age. As you can see, rear privacy glass, rear parking sensors, twin exhausts, reverse camera. So that's absolutely gleaming in the sun, absolutely popping. Boot area's in lovely condition. There we go. Full leather interior with the red stitch piping. Electric windows, electric mirrors, electric seats, memory seats. Multifunction steering wheel. It's got this lovely cover on it as well. Looks lovely, that does actually. Usually they're tacky, that's nice. It's done 86,359 miles. 3-stage heated seats, 6-speed gearbox, full iDrive system, satellite navigation, audio, media pack, phone for Bluetooth, aux and a USB, cruise control, multifunction steering wheel, auto headlights. It's in really lovely condition, no wear on it. It's just been serviced, just been MOT'd, ready for sale. DJH were full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.